Hello students, today our topic is MySQL and in this lecture we are going to discuss some MySQL commands. So let's start. Let's go to MySQL. First of all, enter password. Wait a second. Okay, now. So let us check the database available here using the command show databases. These are the databases available here and we already created some tables in database Praveen. So use the command use Praveen. Praveen is the name of the database. So now we are able to work in the Praveen database. Always remember that MySQL is the default database in MySQL. If you want to know how many tables are there, then just write show tables in a particular database and you can easily see that there are only two tables, customer 1 and customers. Okay, and if you want to describe the whole structure of a table, then just write describe command, then write describe and the name of the table, that is customer 1. Now you can easily see that all the information regarding to customer 1 table is available here. Name of the columns, type of the database, data types of the column and the constant available, all are shown in a tabular form. Now select star from customers 1, then all the information related to table customer 1 you can see here. Okay, basically select command select all the data. When we use select star means all columns. So select star from customer basically select all columns of table customer 1, and you can see here that there are only 4 columns: id, name, address and salary. So all are visible here. Okay, now first of all let us discuss about update command. As we know that update is a DML statement, and using update command basically before going to discuss update command, first of all let us discuss some select statement. We will discuss the update command later on. First of all let us discuss order by command, order by clause. And as we know that order by is used with select command, so just write select star from customer 1, and then if you write order by, then basically order by clause arrange the data in ascending or in descending order. By default it arranges the data in ascending order. Okay, so just after the order by you can give the name of the column according to which you want to um, arrange the data. So let us take here order by a column name. Let us take suppose name, then all the data will be arranged name wise. Now you can easily see here, that is the output. Aman comes first, after that Manisha, then Mukesh, Pawan, Rohit, Sapna and Zubair. So it is clearly visible that data is arranged basically in ascending order. And if you want the data arranged in descending order, then put the keyword DESC just after that column name, and data will be arranged in descending order. Let us see. Now Zubair comes first. Okay, Zubair, Sapna, Rohit, Pawan, Mukesh, Manish, Manisha and Aman. Okay, so now data is in descending order because we use DSC. Always remember that by default when we use order by clause, by default is ascending order. Data will be arranged in ascending order by default. Okay. And sometimes what happens that for a particular column, two entries are same, then we can mention uh, one more column, and according to which in that case data will be arranged. For example, if I just arrange the data in ascending order by using column id, then you can easily see that Aman and Rohit both have id, both have same id 1. Okay, Aman comes first and Rohit comes just after that, because at the time of data entry we insert the row uh, 1 Aman, Rohit 10,000 first, and just after that entry of Rohit is there. But if you want to arrange the data using two columns names, then it is also possible. First of all, data will be arranged according to the first column, and if it is found that entry regarding to the first column is same, then the data will be arranged according to the second column name. For example, in this case, as you see here that id is same, then if you want to arrange the data according to address, then Rohit comes first and Aman comes just after that. Let us see. Order by id and comma address. So if id is found to same, then data will be arranged according to the address. You can easily see here that Rohit Chandigarh comes first, and then after Aman Delhi just comes after that. Okay, now I think it is clear to all of you. Let us take one more example. So data can be arranged in ascending or descending order both. If you want to arrange the data in ascending order, then you can use the keyword ASC. By default, data will be always be arranged in ascending order. But if you want to arrange the data in descending order, use the keyword DESC. Okay, ASC. Now you can easily see that data is arranged in ascending order after the using the keyword ASC. And if you want to arrange the data in descending order, just use DSC in place of ASC just after the column name. So let's start from customers. Order by ID, address, and then DESC. You can easily see that 7 rows are selected here in descending order according to name and address. Now I think the concept of order by is clear to all of you. Okay, let us take an example again. So basically order by clause basically arrange the data in ascending or descending order, and by default it arranges the data in ascending order. And if you mention the keyword DESC just after the column name, then data will be arranged in descending order. And second important thing regarding to that is you can mention more than one columns when you arrange the data in ascending or in descending order. So now order by clause is complete here. That is a slide which we already discussed in our previous video. Now let us talk about SQL in operator. So basically in operator is used to specify multiple values in a where clause. So let us execute a query related to in operator. Okay, suppose I write just select star from customer 1 where address in, and I just give three different city name. Let us take first of all and always mention the string in single or double quotes. So I just write Agra. Just after then within single quotes I just define Meerut, and then at last Noida. So what happens? Only the records which belongs to the address Agra, Meerut or Noida will be selected in that case. That is the use of in operator. You can easily see on the screen. See the output. Only three records are found, basically which belongs to the address Agra, Noida or Meerut. So that is the use of in operator. Okay, now let us take another example. So I think concept of in operator is clear to all of you. Let us take SQL between operator. First, let us discuss SQL between operator. So as you know that between operators select values within a given range, and the values can be number, it may be text or it may be date. And the most important thing is that the between operator is inclusive. It means begin and end values are included. That is the most important thing regarding to the between operator. So let us see. Okay, that is an example related to in. I just replace in by between. Just write address between, and just after that you can give a range. So I just give a range. Let us take a range. Suppose I just take a here. For example, if I want to select the customer data between ID 2 and 4, then I just write select star from customer 1 where ID, okay, where ID between 2 and 4. Now just execute this command. Now you can easily see that all the records related to ID 2, 3 and 4 are available here. Okay, so the main important thing is that 2 and 4 both are inclusive. Okay, and if I just give where select star from customer 1 where salary between, suppose I give value 10,000 and 10,000 and 13,000. Okay, so all the records lies between 10,000 and 30,000, including 10,000 and 30,000 will be the part of your answer. Let us see. Now you can easily see on screen 4 records are found. So that is the use of SQL between operator. Now one of the most important query related to SQL update. So let us discuss SQL update query. Basically, update is a DML statement and it is used to update existing record in a table. And you can use where clause with update. If you use where clause, then only the particular records will be updated, and if you don't use where clause, then all records will be updated. That is the most important thing. And the second important thing is that keyword set is used with update. Okay, so you can easily see the syntax: update, then after table name, then set column name equal to value 1, then column name 2. So you can update more than one column at the same time, and if there is a particular condition, then according to that condition records will be updated. Otherwise all records will be updated if you don't mention any condition with where clause. So let us execute a query related to update or given record. So first of all, write update and then name of the table. Table name is customer1, and then after keyword set, and then column name. Suppose I just give a okay address equal to Varanasi. So I update the address Varanasi. If I just write address equal to Varanasi, then all the address now of table customer becomes to be Varanasi. But if I use where clause with it, then only the particular record will be updated. So I just write update customer 1 set address equal to Varanasi. Okay, and I just use where clause with it. So condition is given here where id equal to 1. So all the customer who have id 1, now their address is changed and now address is changed to Varanasi. You can easily see that two rows affected because two customers have id 1. You can check it with select table command. So just write select star from customer 1. Customer 1 is the name of the table. You can easily see here that first record who have id 1, now address is Varanasi. Now address is changed and address is changed to Varanasi. Always remember that if you don't use the where clause with update command, then all the records will be updated. So it is a good practice to use where clause with update command. Let us do it again. Now I just write where name is equal to Rohit. So you can easily see here okay. Rohit have already addressed Varanasi. So that is our table customer 1. Now it's time to discuss drop and delete command. As you know that drop is a DDL statement and delete is a DML statement. So basically when you use drop command, then it basically delete entire structure of a table including its data. So just type drop table customer one customers. Let us drop the table customers because there are only two tables, customers and customer one. You can easily see here query okay, zero rows affected because it have no row, only the structure. But if it have row also, then it will also be deleted with its structure. Now let us define customer table using the describe command. It clearly shows that table customer doesn't exist because it is already deleted. Okay, so using drop table command you can delete entire table with its structure. So in a database Praveen, already there are only two tables, customers and customer one, in which we already delete the table customers. Now we have only one table, customer one, customers one. So now let us use a delete command. Use first of all delete and then from and then table name. Always remember that when you use just delete from customer one, that entire data of the customer one table will be deleted, but structure of the table remains same. But if you use where clause with it, then only particular record which satisfied the condition will be deleted in that case. For example, if I just write delete from customer one where salary less than 12,000, then only those record will be deleted who have salary 12,000. Query okay, one row affected because only one row satisfies that criteria. So record related to Aman will be deleted now. Let us check it using select command. Select star from customer one. Customer one is the name of the table. You can easily see here that is the table. Okay, so this is all about delete query. Now it's time to discuss aggregate functions. And as we know that there are five aggregate functions: min, max, average, sum and count. And these all are used with select statement. For example, if I just write select min and then within parentheses I just pass a value salary, then minimum salary of table customer one will be selected here. So I just write from customers just after that, from customers one, because customer one is the name of the table. So minimum salary of customer one will be selected now. You can easily see that 12,000 is the result, and see the name of the column. It is min salary, name of the function. Okay, but if you want to change it, so use the keyword as, and just after that within double quotation mark you can give the name of the column which you want. Suppose if I want to write here minimum salary, so I just give minimum salary as a column name by using keyword as. So you can easily see here minimum salary. Now let us see, 12,000 is the minimum salary, and see the name of the column. Name of the column is minimum salary. Similarly, if you want to find maximum salary, then just use max in place of min. Then maximum salary will be calculated here. So I just write max. Always remember that min and max both are the aggregate functions. And I just change the name of the column, maximum salary here. So just press enter just after that. Now maximum salary is 15,000. Okay. And if you want to find out average, then just write AVG in place of MAX, and you can also change the name of the column. Okay, now let us see, average salary is 30,500. And if you want to find out the total salary, then for that purpose there is the aggregate function sum. So just write sum in place of AVG. Total salary will be found out. That is our total salary. 81,000. And our last function is count. So count function basically returns the total number of records. If I want to find total number of ID, then I just write count ID. So it will return total number of IDs here. You can easily see here that total 6 IDs are there. And if you want to find out distinct ID, then you can use the keyword distinct. Okay, distinct keyword should be used before column name. So if there is repetition, then repetition is not counted at all. For example, in this case total IDs are 6, in which we can easily see that ID number 4 is repeated 2 times. So if I want to count it only a single time, then I use distinct clause just before the column name. So for that purpose, what we should do, see here, select count distinct ID from customer 1. If you just write the command select count distinct ID, so I just put a keyword distinct before ID. So you can easily see that result is changed. Now result is 5, because distinct doesn't allow duplicate values. Okay, I think it is clear to all of you. And if you just put select count ID from customer 1, then total 6 results are there, because total 6 records are selected here with duplicate values. And if you want to put just star, then all records will be selected. See the result. Yeah. So that is all about our today's lecture. I hope now you will able to understand all these commands. So try to execute these commands and you will get the idea of it. Thanks for watching this video.